Hey, what's up, guys? So this is my 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500 4x4. It's dark cherry. It's got a 2-inch leveling kit on it. I'm not sure, but it's only got 92,000 miles. It's a dual exhaust, but sitting on 18-inch rims. I think the tires are, I don't even know, to be honest. That's whatever came with the truck when I bought it. But yeah, it's rust free. It's been in Michigan its whole life. It was garage capped every winter. And today we're gonna clean her. So yeah. Alright, so now that we got her all nice and washed off, I normally like to use this Turtle Wax Clean and Shine Total Exterior Detailer. I highly recommend it. To me, it's a lot better than putting soap and water in a pail and scrubbing it. It's a lot easier for me to take a rag and get all the roll grime, bugs, and other nonsense that's on there that you don't want. But yeah, shines it right up. Well, I forgot to film a outro, so I figured I might as well pull over and do it now. But I got her all spotless. You probably couldn't tell it was really dirty on camera, but it was just really dusty. Needed a bath. You don't got your fog lights on. You even drive a fucking truck? But yeah. I forgot to tell you, it's got the 5.3 liter in it. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.